Hey, what's going on, everyone? So we have to admit, over the last couple of days, maybe a couple of weeks, the market in Litecoin has rallied hard. Now, can the cryptocurrency break that resistance area up there around $140? You guys can see it right now on the chart. We did see some rejection on December the 5th. Market sold off on December the 9th, down 18.14%. But since then, you all can see that the market in Litecoin has been lifting back up in price. It looks like it's going to try to test that resistance area again around $140. So now let's go ahead and break down this price prediction update. So the price prediction that we did in Litecoin was on December the 3rd. We were looking for the market to go higher in Litecoin. It did. It hit that seller's pocket. Market went down. I mean, can we say that we're surprised to see that happen? Because we've already delineated and shown you and plotted on our chart that this was a potential area to where buyers could not break up above, and that is exactly what happened on the 5th of December. Now the price came down. Okay, now when price did come down, you guys can see that it did not hold this pocket of buying here, but instead it came all the way down to our second buyer's pocket. Okay, so now what? Well, right now we can see where the lines are drawn. We know where the sellers are, we know where the buyers are. This is going to be the area that we're going to see Litecoin bounce until one of these sides retreat, leave, remove, so that the opposite side can actually break through these areas. Okay, so real quick, let's look at Litecoin on the 2. This is a very good indication to show us that those buyers are still determined into the market in Litecoin. Now, are they determined enough to run the price back up to $140 and then break it above that area? I don't know, but this is a good signal that at least they want to try to lift that market back up in Litecoin. Here it is on the 3. Another good indication, because we did see the market sell off on this 3-day price bar, but the market in Litecoin went back up in the next 3 days. Again, it shows you that the determination of the buyers is a little bit stronger than the sellers right now. Here it is on the 4. Pretty much the same thing here. And on the 5, Litecoin on the weekly chart. Here it is on the 330. Okay, you guys can see on the 330-minute chart, this is where those buyers held firm their ideals that this price, $100, is where price was at a discount. They said, let me come in and buy more of this cryptocurrency and let me ride the market back up. Now, the question that I want to ask you is, okay, cool. We did see buyers come in. How high do you think the market Litecoin is going to run before we see the next area of selling? Because you can see it here on the 330-minute chart that apparently something is snagging these buyers from moving up higher. So rather than those sellers being stuck up here around $140, it looked like they moved down lower to $125 right now. This is plaguing the buyers right now on a shorter time frame. The market buyers needs to break that zone in order for us to even see our price prediction break even. Okay, so I'm gonna add that to the chart as well, just so that you all can see it as a reference point that this is a seller's pocket. All right, so we're going to leave it here. I'm not going to change my price prediction. I just want us to be on guard, update you all as to where we've seen increases in selling at certain prices, as well as where buyers are holding price. Because here's another area that we can see buyers hold the market in Litecoin. So if I were to break this back down to the 330, you guys should be able to see that those buyers are real tight and firm right around here. Okay, so it's going to be a pretty good battle, but given the multiple time frames we've seen and how those buyers were reluctant into letting these sellers take control of the price, we're going to continue to look for the market to go higher in Litecoin, albeit we may not see that market break above that 140. I was going to give you all the heads up about that too. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.